walked around the house without a shirt, it was only because of that song. He was obsessed with Salman, and he was obsessed with a good body. And I think that's why today that has stayed in his mind, and that's the path that Ahan has chosen. Fitness.
My question is to Mr. Sunil Shetty and Sohail both. Firstly, I will congratulate you guys since you have been, since long years, you have been the icon and fitness experts. My question to you is, since there are a lot of platforms coming these days with their own idea of keeping fitness and their own idea of, this dietary regimen, what do you think that, what sort of things should be followed for a good, remaining fitness and all that?
Yeah, I'll answer that in my way. I feel that one should follow himself or herself. One should be comfortable with that, with the workout, with the regime the person is doing. As even I learned that, I didn't know how to put it in words, but when they said that there's nothing called diet, okay, it's a lifestyle, which is very true. Diet is temporary. Diet, you have got crash diets for 3 weeks, 6 weeks, 4 weeks, but that's not your lifestyle. What you got to do is got to develop a lifestyle which you can keep all your life. So I believe that pushing yourself, saying that 2017 or then before a landmark date, we have to target something, I think that's absolutely wrong. Where you believe in yourself, what is in your capacity, you work on that. I was an assistant in my first film where I joined Anna. And I can proudly say that that was a good 25 years back. This man has been wearing the same jeans. He used to wear 28 size 25 years back.
What Sohail meant was the same size, not the same jeans. I've changed my jeans. Yeah? So it's not that I'm wearing the same jeans for the last 25 years. So all the fashion icons here, Sohail and me understand each other, but yes, I didn't want someone thinking I've been wearing the same jeans for 25 years.
So, maintaining is more of it. And just analyzing yourself and studying yourself. Diet, as even earlier was said, that India's got the most nutritious diet. We don't need to go to the West to find...
आपका फेवरेट क्या है, मतलब कौन सा एक्शन आप करना चाहेंगे जो हमने देखे है, योगा वगैरह वगैरह?
देखिए, करना तो बहुत चाहूँगा, लेकिन इस उम्र में दिखता फिटू कर नहीं पाता सब कुछ. स्लो हो जाती है ना बॉडी. 55 की उम्र में आप क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो लोग. करना चाहूँगा जूम्बा, मसाला भांगड़ा, स्पिनिंग, क्योंकि फंक्शनल ट्रेनिंग, क्योंकि उसमें आउटडोर एक्टिविटीज़ है और इट टेस्ट माई लेवल ऑफ फिटनेस. जिम तो हमेशा जाता रहा हूँ और बैठे बैठे बहुत सारी चीज़ें करता हूँ, लेकिन आज मेरी कोशिश अगर यही होगी थी कि मैं बाहर जाके कोई स्पोर्ट खेलूँ या ऐसे कुछ करूं जहाँ से मेरी अपनी फिटनेस को मैं टेस्ट कर सकूं कि और मेरी बाउंड्रीज को मैं क्रॉस कर पाऊं.
सोहेल साहब आप भी बताइए और पंचोली जी भी.
नहीं, जैसे शिव फिट में जो लड़का है दीपू, उसने कहा कि फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी ठीक है अगर आप योगा भी कर रहे हो, लेकिन आपको स्ट्रेंथनिंग भी करने की बहुत ज़रूरत है. सो एवरीथिंग हैज़ टू बी मॉडरेट. आप योगा करो, आप वेट ट्रेनिंग करो, आप स्पोर्ट्स खेलो. हफ्ते में, महीने में बहुत दिन होते हैं, आप उसको डिवाइड कर लो. इवन इफ यू ट्रेन फॉर 4 days a week, दैट्स फाइन. बट एक रिजीम बदलते रहो, एक वर्कआउट बदलते रहो, और हाँ, एक डिसिप्लिन रखो. तो आई सपोज जो आपका एक प्रश्न है, क्या चीज़ करनी चाहिए, सब चीज़ करनी चाहिए इन मॉडरेट.
आपका फेवरेट, मतलब आप तो प्रोफेशनल लग रहे थे जो आपने एक्शन किया था.
अगर आप मुझ पे छोड़े तो I would like to play football, and I would like to go back into playing field sports, football हो, swimming हो. थोड़ा टाइम नहीं मिलता, इंजरीज भी थोड़ी बच गई है. So at the moment I've been trying to get an appointment with Yasmin. बहुत बिजी है, लेती नहीं है पिलाटेस के लिए, लेकिन जब होगा तो मैं जाऊंगा. And yeah, preferably I would like to play an outdoor sport.
इनके लिए म्यूजिक जरूरी है? विदाउट म्यूजिक इनकी क्या लाइफ रहेगी?
नहीं, आई फील क्या हमारे कल्चर में म्यूजिक है और हर चीज़ में म्यूजिक होता है. आपने बहुत बाजी, आपने भी खुद ने बहुत एंजॉय किया बिकॉज एक रिदम आ जाता है, एक रिदम आ जाता है, एक बॉडी में एक रिदम आ जाती है, ग्रेस आ जाती है एंड इट यू फील बेटर. इट्स आप जब आप वर्ड सुनते हो ऑडियो विजुअल, तो ऑडियो पहले आता है, विजुअल बाद में आता है, बिकॉज ऑडियो का मायने बहुत होता है. आज काफ़ी लोग रेडियो सुनते हैं. क्यों? बिकॉज द वर्ड्स दैट यू स्पीक ऑन रेडियो, द सॉन्ग्स दैट यू हियर, म्यूजिक, वो आप में रह जाता है. तो आई जेन्युइनली बिलीव दैट एज Anas हैज टर्न द वर्कआउट्स टू बी एंटरटेनिंग एंड फन, तो यू एंजॉय योरसेल्फ. नहीं तो आदमी बोर हो जाता है. आज आप जिम्स में ही जाओ तो म्यूजिक चलता है, टाइम पास हो जाता है, यू गेट इनटू द ग्रूव ऑफ थिंग्स. तो आई जेन्युइनली बिलीव क्या म्यूजिक is now is a part of working out.
Thank you.
All right. Do we have any other question from this part of the audience? Do we have?
सुनील जी.
All right.
सुनील जी, आपके सामने इन दिनों हम देख रहे हैं कि कई सारे स्टार किड लॉन्च हो रहे हैं इन दिनों. आपके बेटे आहान भी लॉन्च होने वाले हैं कुछ टाइम के बाद. तो क्या एक्टिंग की एडवाइस आप उन्हें देना चाहेंगे या 6 पैक एब्स की?
दो अलग चीज़ें हैं, लेकिन एक्टिंग के साथ साथ 6 पैक्स होना चाहिए. इसलिए उदय जी सोनी लिव आप देखेंगे तो हमारा टैगलाइन ही है एंटरटेनमेंट में फिटनेस का तड़का. तो एक्टिंग में फिटनेस का तड़का वो भी बहुत ज़रूरी है, वरना तो चलेगा ही नहीं. पहले ज़माना था जब मेरी एंट्री हुई थी और मेरे बाइसेप्स इतने बड़े थे, छाती इतनी बड़ी थी, तो बहुत सारे प्रोड्यूसर्स कहते थे यार इसे ले लो, इसको पीछे कहीं खड़ा कर दो, विलन का रोल ले लो. आज उल्टा हो चुका है. प्रोड्यूसर के पास एक्टर जाता है तो बोलता है यार बॉडी शॉडी बनाओ, हीरो बनना है. तो थिंग्स हैव चेंज. तो एक कॉम्बिनेशन होना बहुत ज़रूरी है और आहान के लिए ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है.
Sohail, a question for you. Here, straight. Yeah.
You can't see it. Can you please stand
No,
up?
if you stand up, the visuals will get affected. So that is the reason why.
और ये लोग बहुत नाराज होते हैं.
नहीं, आपसे कभी नाराज नहीं होते. Sohail, I remember a revolution was brought about in Bollywood in terms of 6 packs and a shirtless image when Salman Khan did that song "O Jaane Jana." So if you could just go back in time and talk about how was the reaction like in your family? How did you guys take about it and what happened exactly then?
See, a lot of people have this misconception. Today, when any actor, actress flaunt their body, I think it's a very positive thing because kids follow them. आप अच्छी body bad habits के साथ नहीं बना सकते. You have to have good habits to make a good body to be healthy. So when a Sanjay Dutt, a Salman Khan, a Sunny Deol, a Sunil Shetty, a Suraj, a John Abraham, Deepika, Bipasha, Shilpa Shetty, when they showcase their fitness, a lot of people take it as a sex appeal. It's not a sex appeal. You have to look at it in a different way, that they are showcasing themselves so kids follow. So you can't achieve that out of bad habits. So when we did O Jaane Jana, a lot of people said, yeah, Salman Khan ne bare chested kiya aur isliye gana chal gaya. How many kids started having milk and the mothers used to tell them कि देखो सलमान खान की तरह बॉडी चाहिए तो दूध पी.
But I'm not kidding, the song O Jaane Jana, of course it was a big hit. But if my son got into bodybuilding and if he walked around the house without a shirt, it was only because of that song. He was obsessed with Salman and he was obsessed with a good body. And I think that's why today that has stayed in his mind and that's the path that Ahan has chosen. Fitness. And when you're obsessed with fitness, a lot of the junk goes out of the window automatically. इसलिए कहते हैं, मैं हमेशा मेरे दोस्तों को कहता हूँ कि यार हमेशा डरे रहते हैं कि यार मेरा बेटा ये ना करे वो ना करे. I said एक स्पोर्ट में डाल दो या फिटनेस में डाल दो, अपने आप आपको गाइड करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. वो स्पोर्ट, वो फिटनेस उसको ज़िंदगी में गाइड करके लेके जाएगी, like it was with us. So O Jaane Jana and Ahan, my son, I connect absolutely.
Sunil, also long time back in an interview you had said that perhaps the fittest man in Bollywood is Akshay Kumar. Has that changed for you? If not, why is it?
No. See, there are, according to me, he is the fittest, physically the fittest, because Akshay has always done, like Sohail said, run, swim. He's always done functional training, and functional training is the toughest format of training. Physically looking good and being functionally fit are two different things altogether. That's why I said, when I was asked the question, what would you like to do? I said Pilates, or I'd say, spinning or functional training, because that is extending and testing your limits. So I think Akshay still is one of the fittest people that there are in the industry. I think an entire generation you see of today, boys who are extremely fit, whether it's Suraj, whether it's Tiger, whether it's Varun, whether it's Siddharth. I mean, they are there. They say filmi log hai. Lekin I think we are the most disciplined and extremely conscious of what we do, what we wear, how we behave. So I think these breed of kids from our industry are by far the best kids that I see, because I see a lot of them outside, drunk, crossing limits. But as far as our industry goes, today the generation is well within their limits, and that's thanks to their fitness and their fitness goals.
Sohail, one final quick question for you as well. There is a whole lot of buzz on the social media about Shah Rukh and Salman coming together for Tube Light. You're a part of the film. How did the shooting go, and what is the mood like on the sets, if you could just tell us?
Very nice.
Sir, thoda aur detail mein.
Very, very, very nice.
My question stems from the fact you made a statement saying that fit to मैं रहना चाहता हूँ, but इस age पे मुझसे होता नहीं है. So my question is that, do you think fitness and wellness go hand in hand? And if yes, will Sony Live have a focus where they would want to incorporate more activities of wellness than just fitness on the show?
पहले तो तू खड़े हो जा यार. You know more than anybody fit. I'm jealous of your hair यार. क्या बाल है तेरे यार.
घर की खेती.
बाल हो जाए तो अपना काम बन जाए.
No, Brilliant Living TV is all about preventive wellness. It's about wellness. What you saw here was not necessarily gym. It wasn't gym. 90% is not gym. We are hands-free, we are equipment-free that you saw. And the whole idea is preventive wellness. Bimari mat giro yaar, so get into it. Whatever you would like to do. That's why I said sport. You like to play football, you like to play cricket, whatever it is, stay active. That is the most important thing. And it's always stress that makes the difference. And stress is the difference between expectation and what we end up getting in our life. So expect less, automatically stress will be out, a lot of other things will get better in life.
So our objective is to
evolve with time, and what you saw was an exhibition of something that is also entertaining. क्योंकि लोगों को लगता है यार फिटनेस तो बहुत बोरिंग है, मैं जिम जो जाना नहीं चाहते हो हमेशा बोलते हैं नहीं यार वो जिम बहुत बोरिंग होती है, I don't like doing that. There are hundreds of formats of fitness, and which we have. So what you saw was probably a wee bit of what we have. There are other experts, geniuses who are the best in the field who are here, and we are proud of having them as a part of our team.
All right, the last question.
Question. First of all,
after this we're going in for the photo.
We've got a workout for photographers also. How to move with music, so that is also a part of the app.
Awesome.
Yes, Sony is big on sports, and now fitness is also added. So where do you see this segment going from here, and what do you see the scope?
So for us, it's a natural extension. We are a very big sports platform. We've got a lot of live sports, football, cricket, wrestling, fight sports. A lot of it is available on the Live app. So we are excited to now add the fitness side of it. And over a period of time, we also, in our fitness pack, will have sports fitness and a lot of things around it. So from health, wellness, to sports, live sports, we'll have the entire thing. And therefore, we believe this will be very useful for the younger audience, the youngsters who are there, looking to live a younger lifestyle, to a fitter lifestyle.
And will it be 24 hours or what are the...
Yeah, it's available 24 hours on your mobile. Anytime you can access whenever you want.
Okay, great. Thanks.
Okay, I hope that answers all your questions, ladies and gentlemen.
Just one last with Suraj.
I'm so sorry, we've closed the floor down for the question. It's time